and then just quickly wanted to show you that Milani came out with some new colors. They came out with some for Christmas and said it was limited edition, and it's still there. So I don't know what that's going on with that. So it is. I think it's called their festival colors for the spring. But you have your mint, your lavender, and your looks like a white gold. And then I would have probably just wanted this and two of the glosses, but they were having a sale that if you buy the whole set, you save about $15. So I kind of like saved more than if I would have just got the two glosses. So it comes with like a pinky, goldy, and pearly lip gloss, very pretty. I even saw these in some of the stores, like not on a display, but like when they were doing their resets, I saw some of these in, in the reset. But I like the fact that I was going to save $15 if I just bought the kit. So that's what I did. And it comes in this cute little mesh bag that says Milani on it. So your little drawstring bag, and the drawstring says Milani on it. So anyway, so yeah. I did postpone my appointments. I did not sleep last night because I don't know. I guess it's my menopause, but I did have like 3 cups of caffeine yesterday. I was out all day and I really didn't eat much. So I don't know if that was a part of it, because I was sleepy. I fell asleep for maybe a little bit, woke up, was up the entire night, fell asleep at, sunrise, and had a horrible, violent, bloody, disgusting, terribly violent dream for 2 hours. I thought I was going to sleep till 12. I got up at 9:30. I forced myself out of bed, turned on a comedy, man. That was horrible. It was one of the most violent, bloody, horrifying dreams I've ever had. So, yeah, I don't have caffeine anymore, so maybe that's what happened. So, that's why I did that mess where I did this look without turning on the camera. But anyway, yeah, I just like I said, I pushed appointments out. I needed to rest, and so yeah, so that's what I got. Just waiting to see what the summer collections are. Usually by the end of April, the summer collections start coming out. Wet n Wild will have the summer collection, and yeah, just waiting on that. They had the first that I know of, the first makeup show here in Houston, and I had enough to get in. And because of not only do I have arthritis in my hips, but I have arthritis in my knees. So I'll walk a little bit, I'll sit in the wheelchair a little bit, walk a little bit, sit in the wheelchair a little bit. And they were like, because I'm in a wheelchair, I could bring a guest, and as long as they're pushing me, and they won't charge me for the guest. But I think there was just 2 companies there, NYX and Krylon. Krylon supposedly has new colors of their interference, which I collected the interference. I purchased interference from Holland, from Australia. But that's all of the companies that were going to be there. I really didn't know. I think there might have been one other company I recognized, and they were all high end. I think Makeup Forever was the other company, and that's high end. And I think you get like a bag of goodies, and you get pro discounts. And since I've been doing YouTube videos for like 10 years, they were like, yeah, I qualify. But with the high end companies, and I really pretty much got everything I wanted from NYX, and just waiting for new stuff to come out. I would have probably bought Krylon. I would have probably maybe got something from Makeup Forever. But these are high-end companies, and I had enough to go to buy the ticket. It was like a 60, I think it was 62 for Saturday and Sunday. The classes are like, they start at $25. There's a few that 25, and then there was a few that was like 130, and then there were $300 classes. I wouldn't have even done that. But I've always wanted to go because I wanted to go to all the space. Like if Sugar Pill was gonna be there, I would have been on it. It was this past weekend, and this thing tastes horrible. It doesn't taste like rose. It tastes nasty. As I'm talking, all this horrible taste is going in my mouth. Like when you put on a lipstick that's gone bad. That's what this tastes like. I would have probably went both days, but if you waited till the day of, the price would have been like, I think $75 at the door if you wanted to come in. And that might have just been for one day, and $100 for the two. So it's always better to do it online. But yeah, they had an email. I asked all the questions. It was here in Houston. It was in an area that I'm familiar with. High traffic, yes, but I'm familiar with the area. It's near the Galleria Mall, actually, and I think the Hilton Hotel. So I think it's like the stop after the Galleria Mall. So it wouldn't have been hard to find, and my husband would have done it. He said he would have did it for me, But I was like, it's not like, it wasn't like IMAX. They didn't have like everybody there. Like IMAX would have had everybody, Inglot, Sugar Pill, all of them. It was just NYX, which I really haven't gotten into anything else they brought out, and it was like Krylon. And I would have loved, but I'm not going to spend $65 just for Krylon, But that was really cool. I wish IMAX came here. I was looking into IMAX, and I think they only go in the United States to New York, California, I think Chicago. I'm not sure if they go anywhere else. I don't know if they go to Atlanta. I'm not sure, but that would have been awesome. And I think that was $100 to get in. So yeah, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the one day for $45 or the 2 days for $63, but I seriously thought about it. And I had the $65, but I definitely didn't have any money to shop, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. So that was that. I didn't go, but one day I'll make it to IMAX maybe. Anyway, so yeah, so that's it. And let's see what's happening for the summer with the limited edition stuff. So anyway, okay, I love you all. Mwah.